Hi everyone, in today's video I want to walk you through a very cool feature that is very simple yet powerful, and that's the ability to restore contacts that you delete. So let's say, for example, you're looking at this contact right here and you for some reason delete that contact, right? But at a later point you either receive a text message from that contact or you add it manually. So this is what's going to happen now. So if you try to type a message with that customer, all the previous information, including the history of the messaging, the notes, the message notes, the contact notes, will be restored. That way you pick up exactly where you left and you don't have to think about whether you have previous communication with this customer. This can be helpful if, for example, you have a bunch of dead leads and you just want to clear out your contact and one of them reaches out to you at a later point, or just human error, like if somebody on your team or yourself delete a contact by mistake, you now have the peace of mind that you can restore it and pick up exactly where you left. Hope you enjoy it and let us know what else you want us to build. Thank you.